small and medium-sized array system, powered by one MIS-15BA active subwoofer, composed of four MIS-55 full-range speakers. Compact yet powerful. High-frequency unit ribbon tweeter. Playback frequency can reach 40 kHz. Vibration mass as light as milligram level. The mid-low frequency unit adopts a special vibration system, effectively reduce distortion. Sound quality is clearer and fuller. MIS-15BA has built-in 2800W, 4 ohms power amplifier and DSP audio processor. Connect to computer via RS-232 interface. Precise control of various parameters. The box uses new paint and advanced spraying technology. Surface damage resistance increased by 3 times. MIS series line array sound quality is clear and full, suitable for multifunctional halls, small auditoriums and conference rooms, various scenes such as theaters, mobile performance venues, etc.